Hi, thanks for joining. Today we're at IKEA in Coquitlam, British Columbia, and we're going to be checking out their festive decorations and Christmas lighting. Let's go and explore. All sorts of festive Christmas decorations here today. A ceramic Santa holding a kitty cat. A couple of little Santa decorations. One's got a wreath, one's got a broom, and some snow globes with polar bears. Here's some little glass Santa decorations, tree ornaments. Those are painted in a metallic light color. Here's a little tea light holder, Santa with a Christmas tree. Here's some simple decorating ideas. These are some poinsettias, artificial poinsettias, and you can clip them right on wherever you want them to go. From their Vinter 2020 tree decoration collection, lots of blues and silvers, looking very magical. This is the Winter 2020 Ornament 25 pack. Dark blues, light blues, lots of metallic and shimmering grays, silvers, whites. And they also have these ceramic goat decorations. It says perfect for creating the ambience of the holidays right in your home. Down here's another pack of the 2020 decorations. White and gold snowflakes. And this is a creative idea. They've turned a couple of these little storage cabinets into a makeshift advent calendar. Different types of LED lighting. These are battery operated LED snowflakes. There's a little string of LED Santa Clauses. Some color changing micro LEDs. And here's some LED Christmas trees. They're a little hard to see, but they're white Christmas tree decorations. Kind of nice. All those LED sets come in decorative Christmas tins, so you can pack them away after the holidays. And half the fun of coming to IKEA is getting to see their beautifully decorated showrooms. And of course, they're all done up, ready to display the Christmas holidays. Some baking goods, ready for your Christmas baking needs. Get your decorated chef's hat on, grab a rolling pin and a baking sheet, and you can package up your cookies in these festive tins. And the kids can help out with the baking too, wearing their Christmas apron. Another unique idea, they have added these decorative colors to their pendant lights to give it a Christmas theme. Different types of 3D stars. Here are all the different decorations for the pendant lights. Red and white Christmas stars. You've got 3D stars over there. Not sure how well you can see them, but here's some interesting LED pendant lights. They've got the LEDs wrapped around a ring and suspended. It's kind of cute. There's some white ones. And here they've done the same with the color changing LED micro lights. They have a collection of LED candles and candelabras to give your home a vintage Christmas feel. Here's some clip-on mini LED candles for decorating small spaces. Color changing stars, LED light string. These are so small I almost missed them. They've got some mini LED Christmas tree ornaments, I guess for on your mantle or around your home. There's a bigger size, or there's a little 3-pack light up LED trees as well. I like those. Different colors of Christmas wreaths, some metallic red and some shiny red. And these blue and white ones that match the Winter 2020 collection. Decorate your front step with a festive snowflake welcome mat. IKEA has also teamed up with UNICEF. 100% of the proceeds from this Christmas card collection go to UNICEF Canada. Colorful Christmas greetings, happy holidays, children from around the world. And my personal favorite is this one over here. He's a happy Yeti, decorated with a strand of Christmas lights and all set for the holidays. Let's check out the food section to see what kind of delicious treats we can find. These tins of ginger thins seem like a good idea. They're $1 cheaper than the tins that are inside the warehouse, and they come with a batch of cookies. Some festive drinks. They've got some different sparkling fruit drinks, and this is interesting. It says Vintersaga, hops and malt flavored carbonated soft drink. I can't imagine what that tastes like. I might have to give one of those a try. They also have larger bottles of the Vintersaga, but this one says it's a mulling spices flavored fruit drink. And it isn't even December yet, but the IKEA Christmas tree lot is already open. It says this year $2 from every tree purchase will be donated to the Canucks Autism Network.
Yep.
Not only that, but your Christmas tree could be free. If you purchase a Christmas tree for $25, you get a $25 coupon back, valid for purchases on $100 or more. Wishing you all the best this holiday season. Take care, stay safe, and hope you get the chance to snuggle up with some Vintersaga. And if you enjoyed this video, please remember to like, subscribe, and share. And until next time, it's time to exit through the gift shop.